Hello everyone. So today I will be talking about the Intelfin Multiplatform. Intelfin Multiplatform is a platform where you can deposit your funds to gain profits from trading cryptocurrency. Now these cryptocurrencies are being traded by robots. First of all, I want you to know that robots make better decisions than we human beings in terms of understanding how trade goes, the previous trades and everything. So at Intelfin, there are series of bots you can activate according to what you want, tailored according to your demands, so that you can get the best out of it. Also know that profits are daily. So without much further ado, let's check on the Intelfin website and see how we can kickstart an investment immediately. So the website, the multi-platform is intelfin.io. That is it. And with that, we launch our great. This is it. So now here we can see that there are there is a arbitration bot with income up to 22.4% per month. That is in total out of 100%, you can get 22.4% added on your 100% capital. That makes it very much good. We also have the hybrid bot with income up to 19.6% per month. And then also there's a liquidity pool with income up to 14% per month. Also, if you want analysis, it's also possible right here at Intelfin. So you can also see right here that there is what we call analytics, free analytics, custom analytics. Hybrid intelligence systems analyze given segments on digital assets market just to make sure that even though you're trading manually, you're trading the right market. So now we can see series of information. Now you see right here, these are the products you can activate immediately to start making profit. So you choose according to what you want right here, and then you fund your account. There is also even a blog where you can read more information about Intelfin on its own. We have what is an automated market marker, define what it is and why it matters, a beginner guide to crypto arbitrage trading, and also a newsletter where you may want to receive the daily or weekly or anytime information comes in, you want to be the first to receive it on Intelfin. It's right here and it's possible. Also, right here, you can see the different handle. This is Trading View, then this is Medium, this is Trust Pilot, where you can make reviews, Instagram account, Twitter account of Intelfin, Telegram, LinkedIn, Facebook. All right, so let's try out something. Let's look at the arbitration bots. Okay, right here, arbitration bot. So if we want to activate this, we go to details. It's going to show us a detailed analysis of it. We see statistics, then we see some other major informations. What are the benefits of arbitrage with Intelfin, and also the steps on how to kickstart immediately. So you may want to start this. To start this, what do you need to do? There are the steps right below here. So to sign in or sign up if you've not top up your account, choose a product, activate the service. Very simple. So let's see through it how to do any of these two. So without saying much, we are sure that maybe we might have logged in or sign up. Let's click on sign up. Okay, right here, this is a page to sign up. You input your username, then you input your email, your password, you confirm the password, and then you are good to go. So once you're good to go, you are logged into your account. So now this is mine, and I'm logged into mine. Oh yeah, I have 35.50 IFGT. Now just to let you know that one IFGT is equivalent to 10 USD. So I have 35.50. And then if you wanted the hybrid bot, you can choose it from here. If you want the arbitrage bot, you choose it for here. Just activate membership as you want it. If it's a liquidity pool, it shows you in months. One FLP single asset 6%. Is that what you want in 3 months? 7.5% in 6 months, 9% in 9 months. Okay. Now if you're not good with that, you can go for the hybrid board. The hybrid board, once you might have fund your account, okay, you click on top up to fund your account. Now top up, select a payment method. Now this symbol here is USDT, USD Theta. So with that, you have to fund your USD Theta and then make transaction to this wallet address or scan the QR code to make transaction according to the arbitrage bot. Oh, do you want to know how much the arbitrage bot costs? Great. So these are previous statistics. We were here already. See transaction, we see converter, we see profile. Now you can include, you want to check, okay, if I should fund 1000 USD, how many IFGT to be? It will be 100 IFGT. So now 10 USD is one IFGT. And then you see the other calculations here. Okay, wanted to do this. Click to activate. You input 100 and you say yes. It's insufficient. It's telling us that you have to fund for the arbitrage bot, it has to be 1000 IFGT. Then the hybrid bot has to be 100 IFGT. Let's say 50. It's telling us no, it has to be 100 right here. So it's 100 you're going to fund if you need to activate a hybrid bot, and it's 1000 for the arbitrage bot. Then the liquidity pool is 30 IFGT. So with that, you've topped up your wallet. You can also click to send, input the email address of the person you want to send the IFGT to, input the amount you want to send, and then you click on send. Zero IFGT commission. There's no commission on it. Okay, let's go back. And then you want to withdraw, you can withdraw still in easy steps with still USDT. You're very much covered. The commission will be 20 USDT for the transaction you're going to do. So you just have to input your wallet, a TRC wallet. Once that is done, you click on send and you're good to go. There are a series of information right here that says the address is for receiving USDT only. Any other currency will not be accepted and will not be returned. So with this, you see that you are well much covered. You don't have to stress yourself. Once the profit comes every day, it accumulates where you can see it right here and where you can withdraw them immediately to your bank account. So that is it. And with that, I encourage everyone to make use of Intelfin multi-platform because I believe it's the best. It is secure, it is simple, it is safe. So you don't have to stress yourself to understand anything. All right, thank you guys.